Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Jasper AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register an account on the Jasper AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address jasper.ai and don't enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Google like this. And on the first result you can see the jasper.ai same website over here like this. So click on this website, and guys, you can see this is the home page of Jasper, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the try Jasper free button available for us just beside login button. So in order to sign up for a Jasper account, simply click on try Jasper free, and you can see guys, you will be required to enter some of the credentials, and on the next step you'll be able to start your 7-day free trial of a Jasper account. So to do that, enter your name, your last name, your email address, and after that simply click on the start your 7-day free trial, and on the next step you will be able to set up your Jasper account, and a verification link will be sent to you on your email over here. And the moment you click on that verification link, you will be able to set your password from over there. And with that being said guys, this is how you create your Jasper account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.